Hello guys, welcome back. So almost 3 years ago, Royole, a Chinese company, beat Samsung and Huawei to the market with a foldable phone. But it was undeniably bulky, hard to use, not optimized well enough and not suitable for the mass market. The original FlexPai was a hasty attempt at notoriety, but its sequel felt like a much more credible device. It came with a better hinge, an improved screen, better multitasking features and much more. Now there are leaks and renders circulating of upcoming FlexPai 3. In other words, the successor of FlexPai 2 had just been revealed. Notable leaker Ivan Blas has shared a leaked render of the upcoming FlexPai 3, giving us a detailed look at the phone's overall design. As you can see, it looks different from its predecessor, like some major changes are here. Instead of a vertical camera module located on the front right bezel, it comes with a traditional camera setup. We also noticed that the phone only has 2 rear cameras, a step down from 4 cameras on the previous model. On the other side, you can see a groove for placing the rear cameras when folded, probably for a perfect fit and to protect cameras. For the front, it gets a pop-up camera. Royole doesn't seem to be following Samsung here with an under-display camera, but rather a pop-up selfie camera. This will definitely make it thicker since it has to accommodate moving parts, but the photos taken will be much better, and the screen will be devoid of any punch hole or any kinda obstruction. What's similar to FlexPai 2 is the folding mechanism. It will be an outward folding device. Unlike Samsung and Huawei, who has this book-like folding design, Royole chose to stick with its outward folding because they have spent too much time and money in developing this outward folding mechanism, and going to an inward folding will take a lot of resources, and this is not Huawei to spend millions of dollars and revamp its design. In our opinion, the main reason why Samsung or Huawei for that matter chose this inward folding design is to protect its display. No matter the ultra-thin glass, there is always a chance of getting the display damaged, so folding it inward will provide a peace of mind. FlexPai 2 used terms like cicada wing display and shatterproof screen, but it makes no difference. There's always the risk of getting it damaged. Anyways, let's talk a bit about some of its specs. Based on the past 10-hour listing, FlexPai 3 will boast a 7.2-inch unfolded screen, a 3360 mAh battery, which seems small for something that powers that big of a screen. Compared to Samsung's 4400 mAh cell on Fold 3, this does seem smaller. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and an off-centered USB-C port on the bottom. So that is all for this video. For more updates, follow us on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Peace out.